What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can sell USDT on Binance P2P and withdraw the funds to your Gcash account. It is designed for beginners looking to navigate the Binance platform and utilize P2P trading for cryptocurrency transactions. Selling USDT can be a straightforward process, and this guide will help you do it efficiently. First, visit the Binance registration page. Fill in your details, including email and password. Complete the verification process by confirming your email. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Now log into your Binance account. Go to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet. Click on Deposit and choose USDT as the cryptocurrency. Follow the instructions to send USDT from your external wallet to your Binance account. From the Binance homepage, select Trade. Click on P2P to access the P2P trading platform. Ensure you are on the Sell tab. Start the selling process. Choose USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to sell. In the Payment Method section, select Gcash. Browse through the available offers from buyers. Pay attention to the ratings and the limits they set. Click on the offer that suits you. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell. Review the offer details, including the price and payment method. Click Sell USDT to confirm your order. Once the buyer confirms the order, you will need to wait for their payment. Check your Gcash account to verify that the funds have been received. After confirmation of payment, click Release to transfer the USDT to the buyer. Now go back to your Binance account and navigate to the wallet. Select Withdraw and choose PHP as the currency. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and your Gcash details. Confirm the withdrawal and wait for the funds to appear in your Gcash account. Selling USDT on Binance P2P and withdrawing to Gcash is a simple process that can be completed in a few straightforward steps. Ensure you follow the instructions carefully, especially when verifying payments. Always double-check the buyer's credibility and transaction details to avoid scams. Now that you know how to sell USDT, consider exploring other cryptocurrencies or trading options available on Binance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.